Hello everyone, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how can we use icon in our Flutter application. So first of all, let me just write the code here. So first we have to declare the class here. We are using nothing, so I will go with a stateless widget and show my icon. This is the name of our class. Alright, now we have to put it here. Alright, and home we're gonna write about
Hello.
Alright, so this is our default home screen. And the home screen we get to use a scaffold, and in scaffold we're gonna write about the body.
Alright, body.
I want to put my icon into the center, so we will write the center widget which puts everything into the center.
Alright, so
In the center widget we will use the child property of our center class or center widget, and now I have to give it an icon class here. So for the icon you would write the icon and you will write these parentheses, and then you're gonna write icons dot. Alright, we are having the values right now. These are all the icons. Whichever value you want, whichever icon you want, you can put it here. Okay, I want to go with this navigation icon. Alright, so we have a navigation icon right now, right here. Okay, now let me just run the code. First I got to use the air bar here. Title, we will be using the text widget into the title. Alright, this will work fine. So let me just run this code. You can see now we have an icon here. So it is just an icon, so it won't respond or anything to it. This icon class is predefined in our Flutter SDK, so you don't have to worry that where the icons are coming from. So you can also do the couple of other things here. Alright, you can give the color to your icon if you want. I want to give yellow color to my navigation, so I can give a color here, and I also can change the size of my icon. Okay, I want to have it a 60 size, so okay, you will see that it will have the changed color and a bigger size. Okay, now you can see now we have the different color, the yellow color which we have declared, and the different size. And you can also check the other properties of the icon by clicking Ctrl Q. Alright, it will give you the key property, the color, the semantic label, and the text direction. Okay, you can see here that the icon widget doesn't have a lot of properties, but they do have the some usable or important properties, like you can give the IconData, obviously for giving an icon, which icon you want to use in your Flutter app. Obviously the IconData is for that thing, and the color and the size and the other stuff. So okay, so this video was all about the icon and how can we use the icon. And if you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.